Effective and easy tips to fight dandruff. Dandruff. Is there anything more annoying? This small torture takes away beauty from your hair and fills your shoulders with those white remnants that are noticeable and embarrassing. You don't like it, it is not aesthetically pleasing or healthy? So, what can you do to get rid of it? The first thing you should be clear on is that sometimes the use of many chemical products on your scalp, which far from helping, make the situation worse. We highly suggest following natural steps that are as non-aggressive as possible. You can follow your dermatologist's advice, but these simple tips will also help you fight dandruff naturally, and are at everyone's fingertips. Will you try them out? 1. Dandruff remedy with aloe vera and lemon. This simple remedy is definitely one of the most effective ones. But remember, in order for the dandruff to completely disappear from your scalp, you should be consistent with the treatment. So, take note of how aloe vera and lemon can help you. Aloe vera has antibacterial and antifungal aloe vera, great for getting rid of the dandruff problem. For this, you should take a tablespoon of aloe gel, in other words, the translucent paste from inside of the plant. 20 grams of this juice is enough. Once this is ready, start to do a massage on dry hair. Try to put it on your scalp so your entire head gets moistened by the gel. Be a little patient, let it sit for 15 minutes. Then, wash your hair as usual with gentle shampoo. Rinse and have the juice from one lemon ready to do another massage. Why should you apply lemon juice? Because it regulates the appearance of dandruff and treats the skin of this area on your head very well. Once you have done this gentle massage and the juice has set in well, rinse with warm water. Never hot, because this hurts your hair a lot. 2. Avocado and rosemary infusion dandruff remedy. Do you have avocados at home? Great, because now you only need 2 rosemary sprigs to make a super effective remedy for that annoying dandruff. Avocado is a great moisturizer, rich in essential oils to treat your scalp's health. When combined with rosemary, you will get an ideal treatment for eliminating bacteria, reducing inflammation, and regulating the production of this yeast called malasseza, which causes excessive production of dandruff. So, follow these simple steps. Get the paste from half an avocado. Put it in a bowl and make a thin and manageable paste with the help of a spoon. Make the rosemary infusion. Boil 200 milliliters of water and add 2 sprigs of rosemary. When it boils, let stand and then mix with the avocado cream. Try to get a cream that is more or less well blended. Now, apply it to your dry hair. Do a 15-minute massage, letting the treatment stay on your scalp. Then, rinse with warm water and wash your hair like normal with a gentle shampoo or proper conditioner. 3. Baking soda dandruff remedy. You already know about the many benefits of baking soda. This is an essential product that you should always have at home and will help you with many things, even for regulating the production of dandruff. It is great. In this case, you will do this baking soda-based treatment once a week. It dries out your hair somewhat and is best not to abuse it. Start by putting warm water on your hair. Now add a tablespoon of baking soda, 20 grams, to a glass of water. Stir well and then add it to your hair little by little. Do another massage, letting the baking soda soak into your scalp. Very easy. Now, rinse your hair like normal and wash with a good conditioner. If you are consistent, you will say goodbye to dandruff in a month. 4. White vinegar and mint infusion dandruff remedy. A great, simple, and effective remedy. Mint is another perfect medicinal plant to fight bacteria, fungus, or any other impurity that can exist on your skin, or in this case, your scalp. Combined with white vinegar, you will be able to get rid of dandruff in very little time. The first thing you should do is dilute a tablespoon of white vinegar, 20 milliliters, in a glass of water. Now heat it up and add 5 mint leaves. Make an infusion and let stand. Once this is warm, apply it to wet hair with a massage, just like in the above options. When this has set into your hair well, wash like normal. Simple, right? You can choose the remedy you like to fight dandruff. It's best to wash your hair every other day, applying the treatment you like the most or that is the most simple. But remember, it's important to be consistent.